Hi everybody, welcome to our second Family Nature Club of our 2020 summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. I'm Miss Mary, Storytime Programmer at the Faulkner County Library in Conway, Arkansas. And I'm just so glad that you're here for Family Nature Club today. Now the sun is playing peekaboo behind the clouds, and every now and then I hear some thunder really far away. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that the rain holds off until I'm done filming. I thought we would start out with some movement today. We're going to do some movement to a little rhyme or a little poem called My Garden. But let's go over the moves first. We're going to have to walk back and forth like we're on a winding garden path. And then we're going to march and stomp. Yeah, bring those knees up high like we're stomping in puddles. And then we're gonna tiptoe. Can you go up on your tiptoes and walk around? And then we're gonna hop. And then we're gonna gallop. Do you guys remember, have any of you been with me when we practiced galloping before? I'm gonna scoot back, hold my mic out. Your legs are apart and then you jump. And when you jump, you have your feet kiss or touch in the air like, yeah, okay. So we're gonna do all those things. Here we go. Let's take a walk through a winding garden path. Let's march like we are stomping in mud puddles. Now let's tiptoe through the raindrops. Now we're gonna hop from stepping stone to stepping stone. And now we are gonna gallop through the garden in the rain. Oh, nothing like some movement to get our bodies warmed up. So I think today we're gonna read a story about a bird bath, and then I'm gonna show you how to make nature cuffs at home for a nature walk. And you know, if you're going on a nature walk, those garden moves might be fun to do. If you're with your family, you guys can make a train where somebody's the leader and caboose, and you can move all those different ways. Okay, I'm gonna get out our bird bath story. Hi, so I am sitting in front of our fairy tale garden plot. Jack's beanstalk is back there. And I want to show you one of the roses that fell off the rose plant in our garden. Isn't it magnificent? I'm gonna smell it. Oh, it smells like a rose, all right. Oh, it's just beautiful. Okay, there's a bumblebee in our garden too. How exciting! I think that there is a bumblebee in our story today. This is the story of the Bicklebee's Bird Bath. It's by Andrea Perry and illustrated by Roberta Angaramo, and let's see who published it. Look, there are bumblebees on the splash page. It is published by Athenaeum Books for Young Readers. Here we go. Look at that. This is the Bicklebee's Bird Bath. Look at all those birds. This is the mailman who fell in the Bicklebee's Bird Bath. Oh no! This is the goose that chased the mailman. You know, the one who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath? Well, now we know why he fell in the bird bath. What is that? Yeah, this is the moose that scared the goose that chased the mailman who what? Who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. This is the bee that stung the moose that scared the goose that chased the mailman who what? Who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. Oh, that's a kid. It says, this is the boy with the runny nose who sneezed achoo on the bee. You know, the one that stung the moose that scared the goose that chased the mailman who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. Ooh, that breeze feels good. Ooh, what is that? It says, This is the yard where the long green grass grows that was mowed by the boy. Oh, I guess that's a lawnmower. That was mowed by the boy with the runny red nose who sneezed on the bee, achoo, that stung the moose, ouch, that scared the goose, that chased the mailman who what? Who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. Do you know what that is? It's a scarecrow. Yeah. This is the scarecrow in nifty new clothes that fell in the yard where the long green grass grows that was mowed by the boy with the runny red nose who sneezed on the bee, achoo, that stung the moose, ouch, that scared the goose, that chased the mailman who, what? Fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. Oh, it says, this is the nest full of buttons and bows that came from the scarecrow in nifty new clothes that fell in the yard where the long green grass grows that was mowed by the boy with the runny red nose who sneezed, achoo, on the bee that stung the moose, ouch, that scared the goose, that chased the mailman who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. Ooh, what are those? They're birds. They're crows, specifically. This is the flock full of curious crows that spruced up their nest with the buttons and bows that came from the scarecrow in nifty new clothes that fell in the yard where the long green grass grows that was mowed by the boy with the runny red nose who sneezed on the bee, achoo, that stung the moose, hooch, that scared the goose, that chased the mailman who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. This is the girl with the long leaky hose. That long leaky hose that squirted the flock full of curious crows that spruced up their nest with the buttons and bows that came from the scarecrow in nifty new clothes that fell in the yard where the long green grass grows that was mowed by the boy with the runny red nose who sneezed on the bee, achoo, that stung the moose, ouch, that scared the goose, that chased the mailman who fell in the Bicklebee's bird bath. Woo, what a commotion. This is the boy, his pet goose by his side. He's helping the mailman get toweled and dried. The mailman wraps tape on the hose with the crack. Scarecrow is raised from the ground and put back. Well, everybody's helping everybody. Inside their package, the Bicklebees find a brand new blue bird bath that's one of its kind. They fill it with water. The moose cools his snout. You know what your snout is? Yeah. This is the snout. Here are his mouth and his nose. And off does the mailman to finish his route. And then there are birds at the end. Ah, that's the end of the Bicklebee's bird bath. I love that. There's so many things that can happen outside just in your yard or in a library garden. All right, next up, nature cuffs. Nature cuffs are a great prompt or something that you can do on a walk, any walk where you're going to be outdoors. You can take a toilet paper or cardboard tube and cut it down to size, and then I just snipped this one with my scissors like that to make a cuff that's going to go on a wrist. My wrist is not very small, so it's a little tight. Makes me feel like Wonder Woman. Anyway, take some tape. Packing tape is what I've got here, but I think you could use other types of tape as well. And you want to cut out some tape that's about twice the length of your, cuff here. And you're going to double it over on itself like that, sticky side out. So you are going to attach it to the outside of your cardboard tube. I'm sorry, I keep lowering my hands. So attach it, see here, so it's double-sided, so one side will stick to the cuff, and you still have a sticky side sticking out so you can decorate it. so you can walk around in anything small that you find on your walk that you think would look cool on a bracelet. You can stick on there, like there's an old leaf here in the mulch. There's a little piece of mulch. There are rose petals. They're a little damp. They got water droplets on them. So you could put a couple of rose petals on there. Ooh, so pretty. And then, let's see. The petals on this flower could go on there too. Now, always ask permission before you pull any leaves or petals off of a flower that belongs to somebody. Yeah. So look, I've got all those things on my nature cuff just from the things I found right here. Ooh, sorry, Bumblebee, I didn't mean to screw you up. I also put a little piece of straw on there, but you guys, the thunder's getting closer and closer, so I'm gonna have to end this part of our video here. But like I said, ooh, yep, it was too wet to stick. Let me blow it off some more. This is a great activity to do on a walk outdoors. Those garden moves are always fun to do as well. I'm gonna have some PDFs that I'm gonna post as JPEGs to go along with this video. I've got a nature scavenger hunt I'm gonna post, another kind of nature scavenger hunt here, and then this little handout on how to make nature cuffs. So you can just click those pictures and print them out or save them to your phone. And I hope you have some fun with them. I know I had lots of fun just filming this and putting it together today. Thanks for joining me for Family Nature Club. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.